In this video tutorial, you will be introduced to the basics of the ArcGIS Online web-based geographic information system software tool. We will begin by exploring spatial data in the form of web maps and web applications or apps. We will then use the ArcGIS Online Map Viewer to search for content, add features to a map, and save and share your completed map with others. GIS stands for Geographic Information System. With a GIS, you can see your data in the form of layers. Each layer contains spatial and attribute information. For example, you can see the location of an earthquake displayed as a point on a map, and in a table connected to that point, there will be attribute information about that earthquake, such as magnitude, depth, date, and time it occurred. A GIS allows students to capture, manage, analyze, and display all forms of geographic information so that they can question and interpret relationships, patterns, and trends in real-world data. ArcGIS Online is a web-based GIS allowing you to create, analyze, and manage data online. This cloud-based content management system offers a wealth of ready-to-use base maps and data layers that can be immediately used in the classroom with no software installation required. GIS enhances critical thinking, collaboration, and analysis skills, allowing both students and teachers to build a framework for synthesizing information about the world. It promotes geographic inquiry while equipping students with highly sought-after technical skills that are used in the real world. ArcGIS Online allows you access to ready-to-use data and maps. It can help you meet curriculum objectives. It can be used across all subjects. It fosters collaborative and interactive learning, and resources and support are available through the Education and Research Group at Esri Canada. For more information on ArcGIS Online, go to esri.ca/K12AGOL. Transform your students' learning experience from passively memorizing information to actively creating, applying, analyzing, and evaluating geographic data. ArcGIS Online is a great place to access data layers, maps, and apps created by a global community of users that include government organizations, municipalities, private organizations, and many others. You can begin with exploring maps and apps by creating your own My Favorites gallery to save the content you want to use in your classroom. Once you've done some exploring of ArcGIS Online, you can move on to creating your own maps by adding data you find or adding your own data. With an ArcGIS Online account, you can save and share your maps, you can create groups to share your maps to, and you can manage your content. The Help menu is a great resource when you're using ArcGIS Online. If you can't figure out how to do something, you can access this menu easily in your Profile tab. You can use it to find an answer to your question. In this demonstration, we will cover the basics of using ArcGIS Online, starting with how to search for content and ending with creating a map that can be saved and shared. Let's begin now. Start by typing the URL arcgis.com into your web browser. Sign into your account. Once you are signed in, you will be in the My Organization section of the site. Click on Gallery. This page provides access to featured content from your organization. There are many ways to search and find web maps and apps in ArcGIS Online. In this part of the video tutorial, you will explore one of the available search options. Let's begin with exploring the maps and applications, also called apps, on the gallery page. Explore a web map or app by moving your mouse over the thumbnail. You can see a short description about the content. You can open the web map or app, or you can click on Details to find out more about the content. Let's click on Details. The Details page will have a description about the content. They will provide the author name and the type of content. You can click on the author name and read more about the author. And in some cases, other information is also provided. You can also find tags or keywords that are linked to this content. This will help a user to search and find content based on a topic. If you are exploring a web map, you will have to click on the back arrow to return to the gallery page. If you have opened up a web application, you will have to go back to the tab in your browser where the gallery page is present. Now you will search for content by using the search box located in the upper right corner. Type in the search term ArcGIS and click Search All Content. All content created by Esri Canada's Education and Research Group are tagged with the keyword ArcGIS. The author name will be Esri Canada Education or Esri Canada Ed. You will notice a box located in the left side of the screen has a check mark in it. This default limits your search to your own organization. So when you uncheck the box, this will allow you to search all content in ArcGIS Online. Review the results that appear. Once you find content you want to explore, click Open or Details. Once you find content that you want to save into your favorites gallery, you can go to the Details page of that content and click on the star located in the upper left corner of the thumbnail. Add a few more favorites and then go back to your gallery page to view your favorites. Now you will open the ArcGIS Online Map Viewer to create a web map and to explore some of its features. Click on Map located at the top of the screen. This will launch the Map Viewer. This is the default location for creating and viewing web maps and data within ArcGIS Online. Click on the Base Map button. You will see that there are a variety of base maps available. The default is the topographic base map. Select one by clicking on it and your base map will change. Keep in mind that you can change the base map at any time. You can search for a place of interest using the search box located in the upper right corner of the map viewer. The search box can be used to locate countries, cities, specific addresses, institutions such as universities, and even certain monuments. For accurate search results, include as much information as possible, such as address, city, province, and postal code. Once you've entered your place or address into the search box, click on the magnifying glass or hit the Enter button. It will zoom to the approximate location. If nothing happens, try adding more information to your search. It is important to note here that the search box in the map viewer is used to search for geographic locations on the map, not content on ArcGIS Online. You can also zoom into your area of interest. There are 3 ways you can do this, either by using the scroll wheel on your mouse or the plus button that appears on the left side of your map. Another way is you can hold down the Shift key and at the same time, using your mouse, draw a rectangle around your map to zoom into the area of interest. If you zoom in too far, you may receive a message saying, Map data not available. Zoom out until the map is properly visible. Or you can change your base map. Click on the Home button to go back to the original map extent. In the map viewer, you can also search for data layers to add to your map. Click on the Add button and select Search for Layers. Change the In to ArcGIS Online, allowing you to search all of ArcGIS Online for data layers. You may want to uncheck within map area, depending on what you're looking for. Some keywords you can use to find content include ArcGIS. This data include Canada's climate, Earth's tectonic plates, natural events, Canada's population density, and much more. Live feed data include wind speed, earthquakes, and hurricanes. World Bank data include economic and social indicators like gross domestic product, education, and age and population. Let's look for climate data in Canada using the keyword ArcGIS. Once the results appear, explore them. If you're interested in finding out more about a layer, click on the title link. A summary will appear. When you're done with the summary, close the box. Click Add to add the layer to your map. To remove a layer, click Remove. Click Done adding layers when you're finished. Let's explore Canada's climate layer. Sometimes data layers include more than one layer. In this case, there are 7 different layers. To view other layers, uncheck the current one and check the one that you would like to see. To view the legend, click on the name of the layer or click Legend. To see the layers again, click on Content. Click on the map to view attribute information about that feature. An attribute is a variable or indicator that provides information on some characteristic of interest for each feature on the map. To view the attributes associated to the features on your map, click on Show Table under the layer name. Here you can view all the attributes that are associated to the features on the map. You can scroll down to view the data. To exit the table, click on Hide Table. Now you will create a new map and add your own features to it. You can create a map showing the school property, geographic locations from an article, favorite places or cities you would like to visit. For this tutorial, we will use the example of mapping places around the world. Click on New Map and create New Map. Starting with a fresh map, go to Add and add map notes. When the map notes window appears, ensure that the template is map notes, and if you want, you can change the name of this template, or you can just click Create. The Add Features window showing a list of features has appeared to the left of your screen. A new Edit button has also appeared at the top of the screen. When this button is selected, the Add Features window will be displayed on the left side of the page. The Map Notes template allows you to add your own content in the form of notes to the map. A note can be a point, line, or area, also known as a polygon, displayed on the map that you can add pop-up information to, including text, images, or links to websites. You can also add text, shapes, and other features directly to your map. Let's add the first feature to the map. Zoom into the area of interest, or you can type in your area of interest in the search box. In the Add Features window, choose a point feature. Place the point on your map, and when the pop-up appears, you can add information about the feature like a title and description. You may add hyperlinks to your description by using the Create Link button. You can also add images to your pop-up. They must come from the internet, and they must be in JPEG, GIF, or PNG format. Find your image online, right-click on the image, and copy image URL. Depending on your web browser, this might be slightly different. Go back to your map and add the image URL in the space provided. You may even add an image link so that your image will be hyperlinked to a website. To do this, add your website URL to the image link URL space. Click Close when you're done adding your information to your pop-up. To view the pop-up that you just created, exit the editing session by clicking on Edit, and then go back and click on the feature that you just added to your map. Click on the image to see if the website link works. Close the pop-up when you're finished, and now let's add a polygon or area to the map. Click Edit to start an editing session. Select the area feature in the Add Features window. Single-click with the left mouse button anywhere on the map to start drawing. Next, move the mouse to create the borders of your shape and single-click to add additional corners to the area you are creating. When you are finished drawing, double-click to close the polygon or area. Add your pop-up information, and then when you're done, click Close. If you'd like to go back to edit your pop-up, click on it again. You can make your changes and then click Close. Or if you want to, you can click Delete. Lines can be used to display routes or a path on the map. Let's add a route to the map. First, zoom in to the area of interest, and then click on the line feature in the Add Features window. Start drawing your line on your map and moving your mouse to create your route. Double-click to end the line. Add the information to your pop-up. Click on the Change Symbol button. You can change the pattern of the route to a perforated one. You can also change the color of your line. When you're done making your changes, click Close. You can also add text directly to your map. This is useful if you're creating a map that you will be printing. Use the text to label features, add a title, or annotate your map. Keep in mind that once the text is added to your map, when you change the zoom level, the text size will change. With the Edit button still selected, click on the text feature in the Add Features window. Single-click with the left mouse button anywhere on the map to add a text box. Type in your text. Click Enter when you're finished typing. To adjust the size and orientation of your text, click on the text. Squares will appear around the text. The top middle box can be used to change the orientation of your text. The corner boxes around the text can be used to change the size of the text. When you're finished adding text, click on the Edit button to exit the editing session and explore the features on your map. If you would like to edit any of the features you added to your map, click on Edit, and then click on your feature. Once you're done making your changes, click Close and exit the editing session. Now you will save and share your map. You will also learn how to find, organize, and edit your maps through the My Content page. To save your map, click Save and Save As. In the Save Map window, add your title and tags, and if you like, a summary, and then save it to a folder of choice. You will find out how to create your own folders in the My Content section. Select your folder and then click Save Map. Your map is now saved to your ArcGIS Online account. Click on the Share button. Choose who can view this map by clicking on the box next to each section. If you have groups that you're part of, you can select the groups listed below. Keep in mind you may not have any groups created in your subscription. You can share this map using this link. You can also share it to social media through Facebook or Twitter, and you can embed your map in a website. You can also create your own customized web application that uses your web map. Once you've made your selections, click Done. Now we're going to create a folder in the My Content section. Go to Home and then My Content. The My Content section allows you to view and organize your content. This content is everything you have created and saved in your account. You can also create folders to help organize your data. Click on New to create a new folder and type in Tutorial Maps and click Create. You can find your map that you've created and select it by checking the box next to it, and then move it to your Tutorial Maps folder. Then we can go to the Tutorial Maps folder and view the map that's been added. You can also share or change your share options here. First you select your content, then click Share, and here you can change the share content. You can also delete your content here and move it to another folder. The My Content section of your account will allow you to organize your content and to view it in one place. The Education and Research Group at Esri Canada developed free resources to help educators get started with ArcGIS Online. Go to esri.ca/lessonplanner to find free tutorials, lesson packs, videos, and data. Read the Education and Research blog to find out useful information on the latest ArcGIS Online resources, events, and other GIS-related news. Follow us on Twitter at Esri Canada and contact us at k12@esri.ca. Read stories about Canadian teachers who are using GIS in their teaching to engage students and to find interesting ways to explore a topic. Thank you for listening to this overview. We hope that it has provided you with all the steps you need to become a confident user and contributor to ArcGIS Online. Email us at k12@esri.ca if you have any questions. Go to esri.ca/agol access to sign up for an ArcGIS Online subscription. Find free resources at esri.ca/lessonplanner and begin your search today.